Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. After fasting overnight, the best time to replenish our body's nutrients is definitely first thing in the morning. Besides healthy granolas, I like to start my day with fresh fruits. My favorite recipes I enjoy making for breakfast are smoothies. They are quick, refreshing, and healthy. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Kiwi Raspberry Smoothie. This beverage recipe is so tasty, plus it's packed with nutrients and vitamins. When I make this smoothie, I like to add a scoop of protein to it for a great start to the day. So my friends, let's get cooking. Our first step is to toast the wheat germ. So in a small skillet over medium heat, we'll add it and we'll toss it around for 2.5 to 3 minutes at the most. We just want to bring out the nutty flavor. Then we'll remove from the heat to cool off. Next, in a jar of a blender, we'll combine kiwi fruits, raspberries, apple juice, plain yogurt, but you can always use flavored. Then almond milk. Now, this one is optional. A scoop of protein of your choice. I'm using chocolate here. A couple tablespoons of agave nectar and about 1.5 tablespoons of toasted wheat germ. We'll process until nice and smooth and well blended. We'll pour immediately in glasses, sprinkle some of the remaining toasted wheat germ on top, and enjoy it. And my friends, this is our Kiwi Raspberry Smoothie. Full of vitamins, proteins, fiber, and other nutrients, this quick and easy beverage is a delicious recipe to enjoy. Colorful, refreshing, and healthy, what a great way to start your day with a smoothie! I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!